part of our tour, I'll show you how the Titum Inc. compensation plan works. Now, after you make your initial purchase, you are required to pass up your first sale. Your first sale is called a qualification sale or a training sale, and it pays your trainer, the person that you joined the business with, but it also immediately qualifies you to start earning money. From your second sale on, you keep the profit on every single sale your system makes for you. Now let's say that you're qualified and you make your next sale, thus bringing in a new associate. Let's call her Nicole. Nicole pays you directly for the Titum Inc. license and product package of her choosing and immediately starts looking for her first sale. When her first sale comes through, the buyer automatically becomes her qualification sale, and because he is Nicole's very first sale, as her qualifier, he pays for his Titum Inc. license and product package, but it bypasses Nicole and the commission is paid directly to you. Now at this stage, Nicole becomes qualified to receive commissions on her own from each and every new sale she makes from now on. Nicole's qualifier takes his place in your business and he too makes his first sale. Now because this is also his first sale, the commission earned bypasses him and it goes directly to you, automatically qualifying him to receive commissions from each and every new sale his system makes for him. His qualifier takes his place in your business, pays you, and the process repeats itself over and over and over again. Now this is called a profit center. Nicole and her qualifier, along with every associate who passes up their first sale to you, becomes qualified to earn commissions in their own profit centers, which goes on to infinity as the process happens repeatedly. And the best part is that this applies to every associate you bring in. You can have unlimited profit centers, creating a continual stream of income for you at any given time. Your goal as a Titum associate should be to create as many profit centers as you possibly can, because this would translate into what's called passive residual income, which means getting paid multiple times for your one-time effort. Now, after your qualifying sale, every single sale you make starts a new profit center that pays you over and over and over again. This is very powerful. Imagine having 10 profit centers, or how about 20 profit centers? Now, if you're truly serious about making a strong six-figure income in your first year, you will definitely want to purchase either the $6,500 or the $3,500 license and product package. That's where 80% of our associates get started. So let's be very conservative and take the lesser of the two and say you make just one average sale per week of $3,500. That will earn you $182,000 per year, and that does not include any qualification or training sales that will automatically pay you each time one of your associates gets qualified. By plugging into our lead sources, this type of income is very achievable. This can happen quickly when you position yourself properly and follow our simple system. Many serious business-minded individuals choose to purchase our $22,000 VIP product package where absolutely no money, nothing is left on the table. Now this is where it gets really exciting. There are 4 different ways you can earn a sizable income with our compensation plan, 3 of which are passive. Number 1, personal sales. Each time you make a sale, the purchase price is paid directly to you via cashier's check, direct bank deposit, or wire transfer, where just one average sale per week earns you $182,000 a year. Make as many as you want. Now, number 2, qualification sales. Every new associate must pass up their first sale to you as their qualification sale, and that pays you, and of course repeats itself over and over and over again. Number 3, roll-up sales. Now, roll-up sales occur when one of your qualified associates owns a license that is less than the amount of the sale they make. For example, if you are qualified as a $6,500 advanced associate and you have a qualified $3,500 builder associate that makes a $6,500 advanced product package sale, they would receive $3,500 and the difference of $3,000 would roll up to you and pay you directly. Now, number 4, upgrades. Anytime one of your associates wishes to upgrade, they will pay you the upgrade amount. For example, if your $6,500 advanced associate wants to upgrade to the $22,000 VIP associate product package, and you're a VIP associate, they would pay you the difference of the two, which is $15,500, and that's paid directly to you. Now, we're sure you're seeing the incredible benefits of our highly lucrative business model. If you have any questions about how the Titum Inc. compensation plan works, be sure to get back to the person who sent you to this website, and they'll be more than happy to answer all of your questions. Thank you for watching, and we hope to welcome you to Titum Inc. very soon.